May she rest in peace.
Her name,
I cannot miss a chance. Marcy.
Hello, my name is Meredith Hogg. I'm here to do a breathing assessment. Do you have any problems today?
So bad.
Any coughing or anything? Shortness of breath?
I designed new costumes. I got new arrangements.
Okay, I'm gonna do your lung assessment. Respiratory assessment. Can you turn to your side?
I'm sorry.
Sit sideways.
Maybe another spot will open up
Let's touch your
soon.
back.
In fact, Barb's vocal cords is ready to
Let me
emerge
palpate your
faster than
back.
her face. So fingers crossed.
Take a deep breath in.
I'm
Take a deep
dying for a
breath in.
gingerbread latte. Let's go, girls. Oh, holy night.
Does that hurt?
You
can breathe in.
It is the night of the dear
Any tenderness?
Long lay the world in sin and never part.
Say 99.
99.
Say 99.
99.
It's worth a thrill of hope.
More tenderness noted. More palpation. Listen to the sounds. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Okay. Take a deep breath in. 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 Okay. I assess the front. Assess your back. Now assess your front. Turn around.
Thanks for making that decision more difficult.
I'll do the same thing I did to your back, to your front.
We're gonna go delivery and caffeinate. Let's go, girls.
Quit laughing. I don't know.
Hi, Mike.
Hi, Holly.
Okay. You don't want to say any tenderness.
Jessica. Hi, Molly.
Quit.
You killed it. Come
No
on,
problems
you killed it,
noted.
right? Oh, yeah, I told you you'd get it. And can I be the first one to say thank God? Because if I had to hear you talk about making the snowballs one more
Listen to
time.
the breath sounds.
I don't talk about it that much.
Take a deep breath
Because
in.
every time you say snowball, I add a paperclip to
Take
this.
a deep breath in.
Wow. That is a huge waste of office supplies.
Yes, it is.
Take a deep breath in.
You should have it.
I haven't exactly made
Take a
belts
deep
yet.
breath in. Take a deep breath in.
Hey, don't worry about it. You'll get it. Because you have an amazing voice. And because...
Check your nails for color. Your color. I'm gonna assess your heart sounds. And check your carotid. Carotid is palpable. Look that way. That way. Okay, that's fine.
Ladies, I think we found our girl.
I'm gonna assess
Doesn't name
the
her Stacy?
heart sound setting up.
Seriously? Stacy? I mean, she's good. She's a solid choice, but Holly was late, for starters. I mean, how hard is it to show up on time? And that performance. I mean, hello. Christina Aguilera called, and she... She wants that whole Christina Aguilera thing you ripped off back. We are not gonna have a diva in this group. I'm sorry. Did I say something funny, Barb? Well, I just think we should at least consider Holly. Oh, we did.
The pulses are strong and
Newspaper?
heard very well and regular.
I'll call Holly and tell her the bad news. Unless any of you.
Now we're gonna do it laying down. I'm gonna stop the video for a minute and then restart.